adventure begins. Right now we're here in Mati City. Just arrived from Balut Island. Diretso na tayo dire. Okay? Dire-diretso na ang galaan. Pupunta kami sa Mindanao Flying Saga dahil mag-ultralight kami ngayon. Tapos, after that, magsisipin kami dito sa Mati. Kami ang Kuya Driver. You ready na, Dan?
Let's go!
This is it. Yan, ready na si Dandan mag-fly sa ultralight aeroplane dito sa Mindanao Flying Saga.
Ito man, disisip ko eh.
Oo, sinabihan ko kasi siya eh. Tuloy-tuloy kaming dalawa. Here you go, Dandan! Yahoo! Bye, Dandan. See you later after 15 minutes. Asa naman na? Ah, yeah, there they go. Yay! Hi, Dandan! Enjoy! They're here. Look who's coming. Yay! Nakaman na fly si Dandan. Kumusta? Kumusta ang pakiramdam ng nakalipad for 15 minutes?
Sobrang ganda.
As in. So, tapos na si Dandan. Now, it's my turn to fly. Excited na here. Wow. I'm ready, Captain.
Fly so high, I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Times don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world but keep the sky on your mind.
na, sir?
Okay na ito. I enjoyed it so much.